What's up, guys? I'm back again. I know every single time I take a break and then I come back, I'm back starting to make videos again, and then I never do. Hopefully this time it'll be something different, but don't hold me to it. But I am going to try my best to do some unboxings. Now today I'm finally doing my Supreme Week 1 unboxing. I've had this stuff sitting in my room for a few weeks now, but actually just 2 days ago I finally got all my stuff. It took a very long time because this is actually week 3 right now of Supreme, and I just now got all my packages. Now this is everything minus 3 packages. 2 I had my cousin get for me, and it's basically the same exact stuff that I already have, so I'll let you know when I'm there. But then another thing I had, it was a shirt that I got the wrong size in on accident, because as you know how it is when you're on there, when you're on Supreme's website doing things so fast, sometimes you make mistakes, and I did. I actually got that shirt by itself, so I knew it was that shirt, and I just sent it into StockX, and yes, I did sell it on StockX. So I just had to get that out of the way. So anyways, enough talking. I want to get right into this. And like I said, this is all of my Supreme Week 1 stuff of, what season are we in? Of fall, winter 2019. I'm super hyped. If you watch all my other week 1 videos, I used to spend a lot. This time around I only spent about $850. But now there's tax included, so that is with tax. For everything here and those 3 other items is about $850. So like I said, enough talking, let's get right into this. Obviously with week 1 comes a ton of stickers. You guys know me, I'm all about the stickers. I care about the stickers more than anything. So I'm really hoping we got a lot of stickers. And then the free gift this season was the Parachute Army Guy, which I'm sure you already knew. And then another thing I'm sure you already knew is that they are no longer doing the plastic bags. So no more bags, which is a good thing and a bad thing. The price is probably going to go up. Probably not though for a while until a lot more people start catching on. But yeah, let's see what I got in my first package. Alright, no stickers. Sick. Oh wait, no, I lied. Oh, look at this. Look how crumbled up this is. So sad, so sad. But I did get Army Guy right off rip, so that's good. Now I got this. I got a Mary J sticker, and then this, I don't even know what that is, that sticker, but they are bent, so that kind of sucks. And then I got a bent scratch off BOGO. This sucks. I'll probably just get rid of this, honestly. This is so destroyed. But this is for the personal collection, so I am going to open this. And I didn't know they were doing these bags. I kind of thought they were stopping with these bags, but I guess not. This is the striped short sleeve top. I probably could have guessed that. And like I said, this is for the personal. I love this thing. It looks faded. It looks super vintage. And yeah, this is to replace my bar tee that I had from a couple seasons ago. I like this one a lot more. I kind of wore this like too much. Not this one obviously, but the other one too much. But yeah, it looks like this has already been worn. But I kind of like that vintage look. It's pretty sick. All right, let's just keep this rolling. Oh, I dropped all that stuff. Alright, so in this order I did get a few things. This is for the personal collection. This is what I thought was probably like the best tee out of all the shirts that came out. This is the smoke tee, and this thing is sick. I love this. I'm probably going to wear this a lot. It just says Supreme, obviously, but with the smoke font or whatever you want to call it. This one is sick, and I love this. I'm actually like super hyped I got this because I was willing to pay resale on this one because I thought this was sick. Gonna get a lot of wear out of that one. Then I also got the banner tee in the natural colorway. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna open this one because I am trying to sell this one, so I don't want to open it, but I'm sure you already know what it looks like. Banner tee. Then I hit a W again with the Mary J. Blige tee, medium in the white colorway. Unfortunately, this is not selling for a lot at all. You probably just about break even with this after fees. So that sucks about this, but it might go up in price, it might not. I might hold on to it. And then it looks like I did not have any stickers at all. Yeah, because those are all my bent ones. And this is my garbage pile. I guess I'll start. Let me check in that bag again. Yeah, no stickers. All right, sick. Let's just keep this rolling. Hopefully we got some stickers in here. And again, I'm trying not to make this video too long, so I might be going kind of fast. Alright, so I keep thinking I'm going to get the Supreme bag, but I keep forgetting. Alright, no stickers. Okay, no stickers in this one either, and that really sucks, so off to another bad start. Now this I did get for the personal. I'm not going to put this on because I look pretty stupid in beanies. So I gotta like work on my confidence if I am really gonna wear this or not. But this is the loose gauge in the natural colorway or the white colorway, I don't know. But this is sick. I love this. I really hope this looks good on me. Yeah, this is sweet. Feels really nice, and I'm super hyped on that. Now this is, I'm still deciding on this, if this is for the personal or not, so I'm not going to open this yet, but this is just a small box tee. They come out every single season. You already know what these look like by now. Got in a medium, in the black colorway. Still pretty hype on that. Let's see what we got. Still moving along. Not doing very good on stickers, so that's sick. Don't want to cut anything in here. Just leave that there, yes, so. Alright, so we got some stickers now in here. Wow, there's actually a lot of stickers in here. Alright, so in this one order, I got 2 metallic box logo stickers. Well, I don't know why I said metallic, you know what I mean, the scratch off ones. So that's good to make up for my ripped one that I had right there. I have 2 of the lotion ones. I don't know, how did I get that many in one? Then I got the Mary J sticker and then the banner sticker. This is cool because I was kind of figuring I wasn't going to get that one. No parachute guy though. But this is just the voodoo doll in here. And yeah, this is sick. I ended up getting 2 of these. So I don't know how I did that. But yeah, I got 2 of these. This one's kind of ripping. That kind of sucks. But this thing is sick. I love that thing. I'm so hyped I was able to get that. That's everything in that one. So moving on. Almost sliced and diced my finger right there. That would have been very unfortunate. Oh yeah, I completely forgot to... Wait, no, did I mention that? Yeah, I did mention that thing about the Heaven Tee. How I had my cousin give me that. So I don't have that second Heaven Tee with me. Alright, so this... Oh, okay. So no stickers in here, but I did get my second voodoo doll, which is kind of weird. The first voodoo doll, all those stickers. This one, no stickers. Or parachute guy at all. So yeah, just another voodoo doll. Don't really have to show that. Let's just keep this ball rolling. And yeah, I feel like I probably was talking so much and talking very fast. I kind of already forgot what I said. But yes, I got 2 Heaven Tees. My cousin got me the correct size. And then I got the one, but I already opened it and sent it off to Stock X because I got it in the wrong size. So yeah, that's what I meant. Alright, a lot of stickers in this one. So this is good. So far I got this sticker. I don't know what that is. It says save the planet, kill yourself. Alright, so that's what that one says. Got another pristine scratch off box logo sticker. And then here is the jug keychain. A lot of people did not like this. I believe it's still in stock, but you know me, I'll literally buy anything. So I had to pick this up. Thought that was pretty cool. Here's the other. This one seemed to be hard to get. People were, I see a lot of people not getting this one and needing to buy this one, like on Instagram and stuff. So I'm glad I got that one. Then I got like my 20th of these already. I got so many of these. The lotion one, another Mary J. And then here's the pin. Wow, this is so small. It just says 1-800-SUPREME. This is for the personal. You probably can't even see that, but I did get this in the blue colorway. Then I got the red socks. I actually got 2 red socks. One I'm probably gonna sell, and then one I'm gonna hold on to. But I'm not gonna sell them now because obviously these are probably cheaper on StockX right now than what they cost on Supreme. To be honest, you gotta hold on to these type of items, like the Realtree stuff. That stuff like sat on the site the whole season as it usually does. But then right after the season ended and people now could not get them anymore, that's when the prices go up. So that's what I plan on doing with these. Probably keeping one for myself though, like I said. But yeah, 2 of the red socks. Thought these were sick, and that's everything in there. Alright, so let's keep going. Like I said, obviously you can see what this is. Now I did end up getting 2 of these on accident. My cousin got me one because I told him to get it for me. I thought he didn't get it. I misread his text, so I went and bought a second one. So I don't have both with me right now. I haven't been able to meet up with him to get it. But this is the smoke deck. Do I have it upside down? No, I don't have it upside down. Here it is. It's just like the t-shirt, and it says Supreme. I got it in the black colorway. I have 2 of them in the black colorway. So like I said, I was not able to pick that up yet, but I do have 2, so I'm gonna have to sell that one eventually. And it looks like no stickers in this. Yes, no stickers in that one. So I'll just set that there, I guess. And let's just keep rolling. Actually, I only have 1 package left, so let's get into it. This is my final box from week 1. And honestly, it's probably my favorite item is inside here, hopefully. That's what I'm assuming. Alright, a bunch of paper. Wow. No stickers and no parachute guy again. Alright, sick. So I don't want to take everything out at once. I want to go one by one. So this is the lighter. I'm gonna keep it in here because I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. But this is the, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that word, the something pearl hard edge lighter. I got it in the pink colorway. I think this might even still be in stock. I'm not sure. Still thought it was sick, and like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna keep that in the packaging. Next, this is definitely for the personal collection, and this is huge. This is the Supreme Pelican case. I almost bought the black one when I was living in Florida, but obviously not this one, but like the older black one. I'm kind of regretting getting it though. But now that this came out, I'm like, oh, screw it. I don't even need that one anymore because this one is way better in my opinion, and it's way bigger. I have no idea how to... Wow, that thing's so loud. I have no idea how to... Oh, okay, that's how you open it. Yeah, you can fit a ton of stuff in here. This is sick. I got it in red, which I think is probably the best colorway in my personal opinion. Maybe black. But did it come in black? Yeah, probably black. If black exists, was probably going to be the best color. So yeah, love this thing. This is probably my favorite thing, and if not, this is my favorite thing from week 1. And I saved the best for last. Let's move that to the side and get into this. As you can see, Supreme Pyrex. This is sick. Got to keep this away from my mom because my mom's probably going to want this. If I can even open the box. And obviously I was just joking about that if you didn't catch it. But let me, dude, this is hard. Woo, this is so sick. This is so sick. Look when you first open it. And then I hope you could even see that. You probably couldn't even see that. Maybe you did, maybe you didn't. Here it is. The measuring cup. This is so sick. I feel like my mom has the same exact thing too. It just doesn't say Supreme. But yeah, as you can see right here, it says Supreme, and then you flip and dip and it says it on the back as well. This thing is so sick. And like I said, this is probably my favorite item, if not the Pelican case. One of these, definitely my favorite item from week 1. And if you want this, I'm pretty sure you can pick this up on StockX for like $10, $15 more than what it even goes for. And honestly, I kind of thought this was going to sell for a lot. But you know me, all the things I think sell for a lot end up bricking, and then the things that I think are going to brick sell for a lot. That's usually how it goes with me. Now I can't even close this. Alright, whatever, I'll just set that down. Now that is everything I got from week 1, minus the 2 Heaven t-shirts and then minus the second smoke deck, but I also got that in black. So I did pretty bad with stickers. I only got 1 parachute guy, but luckily though my cousin said that I did have one, so I think that gives me 2 parachute guys, so that's cool. But I did pretty decent with the stickers. I know for a fact I did not get the full set, but I ended up with, I think that's 3 scratch off box logos, which that's good because I did want 1 to actually scratch off, and then I did want to keep 1 completely dead stock in pristine condition. So that's what I'm going to do with those. I got a few destroyed stickers, but I did pretty good, I feel like, with the stickers. I can just go get the other ones on eBay. So I hope you did enjoy this video, and I do really hope I'm back again. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys picked up for week 1, or if you picked anything up at all from week 1 or week 2. Hopefully uploading this during week 3, because as of right now it is week 3. So I'm hoping to get this video up ASAP before the drop. Like I said, let me know in the comments if you guys were able to pick anything up. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Please go check out all my other videos, and hopefully see you guys soon. Have a great day. I've never said that before, but I guess I just did now. But yeah, thanks for watching.